I sometimes get asked, why did you begin Writer's Toolbox? And many of the decisions, that you take in life and your career, it sometimes doesn't go where you anticipated. And that was certainly true for me. I was a very happy academic at university for 20 years of my life. And increasingly though, in the midst of all the subjects you teach, I began to get quite concerned by what we today call the writing gap. It comes in many forms. Sometimes it's the student who has got all the ideas, but they can't put them on paper. Sometimes it's the student who can't quite get started. Often it's the person who really wants to succeed, but they've never had how to write explained to them in ways they can just get it. And this was really the problem I've tackled. I wrote some books on the issue, and then eventually schools started to say, well, could you come and assist? And I formed an organisation to help schools. For me, education any technique or strategy or intervention has to be able to make a difference now. The child, the student, the educator need to be able to understand these concepts immediately. And that's true of writing, just like any subject. Our job is to lower the barriers to understanding, not to raise them. How can we make this writing journey accessible to all, that everyone might have the opportunity to pursue the choices they'd really like to pursue in life and achieve the successes they deserve? That's the Toolbox story.